Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have administrative access, or the local PIN, because changing display resolution while locked needs elevated control. Once you have credentials, identify the exact resolution and refresh rate you want, for example 1920 by 1080 at 60 Hz. This prevents trial and error. Next, prepare keyboard shortcuts you'll use. Win plus P to switch displays, Win plus X to open quick menu, and Control plus Alt plus Del if you must sign out. Begin now by invoking the lock screen method described in the next. Once the screen is locked, press Control plus Alt plus Del to reveal the blue options and choose Task Manager. This bypasses some lock restrictions. In Task Manager, select File Run New Task and type Control/name Microsoft. Display to open display settings as system context. You need that to change resolution without signing in. If Task Manager is blocked, use Win plus X from an unlocked session beforehand, or run a remote PowerShell command to set resolution programmatically. Make sure to keep connectivity and permissions ready while you proceed. You now apply the new resolution in display settings and watch for the confirmation prompt. Confirm within the 15 seconds to make the change permanent, otherwise it will revert automatically. If the screen goes blank or unsupported, immediately revert using keyboard shortcuts or wait for automatic rollback, then boot to safe mode to adjust drivers or settings. If remote access is available, connect via VNC or external monitor to restore a working mode. Finally, update GPU drivers and keep a known good resolution saved for emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.